Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the all-new Samsung Galaxy A56, a smartphone that brings top-tier features at a budget-friendly price. From its eye-catching display and modern design to its impressive battery life, there's a lot to go over, so let's jump right in. The Samsung Galaxy A56 boasts a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a full HD Plus resolution, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details. With an incredible peak brightness of 1900 nits, visibility remains excellent even in direct sunlight. Samsung has also refined the phone's look. At just 7.4 mm in thickness, it feels sleek and comfortable in hand. Plus, the camera module now sits flush with the back panel, creating a cleaner and more refined aesthetic. Powering the Galaxy A56 is the Exynos 1580 processor, delivering a 37% performance boost over its predecessor. This translates to smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and a more responsive overall experience. The camera system on the Galaxy A56 is designed to impress. It includes a 50 megapixels primary sensor for crisp and detailed images, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive shots, and a 5 megapixels macro sensor for close-up photography. Thanks to eye-driven enhancements, low-light shots are clearer, and zooming is now much smoother. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A56 is its massive 5000 mAh battery, which ensures you can go all day without needing a charge. Even more impressive is its 45W wired fast charging, which powers the device up to 65% in just half an hour, with a full charge taking roughly 68 minutes. To put its battery to the test, TechTag conducted a real-world endurance comparison with other Samsung mid-range models, including the A36, A55, A35, A54, and A34. The A34 was the first to run out of juice at 9 hours 21 minutes, followed by the A54 at 9 hours 27 minutes. The A35 held up for 10 hours 5 minutes, while the A36 lasted slightly longer at 10 hours 20 minutes. The A55 extended usage to 10 hours 32 minutes, but the A56 dominated the competition with an impressive 11 hours 15 minutes. Despite all these devices featuring the same 5000 mAh battery, differences in software optimizations, chipset efficiency, and screen power management played a huge role in the A56's superior longevity. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the Galaxy A56 offers a refreshed interface with better customization options. Samsung is also committing to 6 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches, ensuring this device stays up to date longer than most mid-range competitors. The Galaxy A56 comes in graphite gray, light gray, olive, and pink. With a perfect mix of design, performance, and long-term software support, this smartphone is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a powerful mid-range device. What do you think of the Galaxy A56? Are you surprised by its battery performance? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.